You're watching ABC 36, Good Day Kentucky, with Doug and Lisa High and meteorologist Dylan Godet.
Hey friends, welcome back in. The Health and Wellness Clinic at Lexington Diagnostic Center provides a broad range of services from urgent care to specialized wellness options, including weight loss programs, IV hydration, and medical grade skin care treatment.
That's right, and here to talk more about the services they provide and how you can take advantage of all of those services is Marketing Director Caitlin Brock and Nurse Practitioner Cassie Pop. Thank you for coming in, ladies. We appreciate it. Thank you for braving the elements today.
Yeah, of course.
So first of all, tell us the story with your health and wellness clinic and how it kind of got started. What inspired you?
Well, really, it begins with our owner, Dr. Harris. He saw a need in the community where people were having to wait months and months just to be seen for medical care.
Right.
And he realized that we had the space and the resources in order to do something about that. So once the idea came to him, we were like, we can have a clinic that provides urgent care walk-in services as well as some wellness services for people. So really the goal was just to allow people to start taking a proactive role in their wellness and well-being.
Which is so important.
Right.
It really is.
So what sets that health and wellness element of the practice aside from other people that are out there promoting that same thing?
Well, I think we're different because, well, one, we have Cassie, and Cassie's a great provider.
Secret weapon.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. She really lets people know that they're being heard. They're not just a patient. They're a real person.
So important.
It is really important. And a
Yes.
lot of people don't get that with care today, which is like, that's going to get people to come back is if you have somebody that you can relate to, that listens to you.
You know, you're
Right.
right. So many times we feel like we're not being heard.
Exactly.
That's right.
And rushed.
And rushed, yes.
Exactly. And you know, these services, why do you think it's so important to have the health and wellness along with the urgent care? You know, how do these work together in your clinic?
Well, by having both health and wellness clinic like combined together, we really are able to look at people if they come in with a problem and we think that a lot of their issues may be related to something like dehydration.
Yeah.
We can say, hey, we actually offer IV hydration here. We can offer them a treatment on the spot, and that can help alleviate symptoms that they may not even know that they had that would relate to something like dehydration.
Yeah.
Right. We were talking during the commercial break that I know you as the Open MRI. You guys did a great job marketing that message years back. So I imagine there's a strategic advantage to having all that imaging downstairs, so close to this new element.
Yeah, exactly. I think having the Lexington Diagnostic Center in the same building right downstairs is a huge advantage for our patients. So if somebody came in and they're like, I'm having some really bad back pain, and we think that maybe an x-ray would be a good place to start, Cassie can write them an order and they can go right downstairs. They can most of the time be seen in the same day. And really that is extremely helpful for somebody who may be in pain or even just uncertainty about their condition. Getting that process a little bit faster is going to be huge for people.
Same day result.
Yeah.
Same day results.
I like that.
Also very rare these
Right.
days.
Yes.
And who is the typical patient that comes in to your clinic as well?
So a lot of what I'm seeing currently is a lot of weight loss patients.
Okay.
You know, I mean, feeling good about yourself is so important. You know, obesity is a big problem. It leads to heart issues, diabetes, you know. Overall, we can just take a look at everything as one big picture. Having been on a weight loss journey myself, I can also relate to them on a more empathetic level because I understand what it feels like for them.
Yes.
You know, the struggles when they've had failures and how to help them overcome those failures because I've walked in their shoes.
That's right. And
So
it gives
that
them
helps.
hope too. It gives
Absolutely.
them hope.
Absolutely.
Wow. Cassie, what's kept you there? What's the secret sauce?
You know, the people that I work with are phenomenal, absolutely, but I am able to spend all the time that I want with the patient without being pressured to see people in 15 minutes and get them out the door.
Outstanding.
So I get to really engage with them completely.
We don't need beat the clock in our medical care, do we?
Exactly.
Goodness.
And where do people find out more information about the clinic?
You can go to our website, and it's www.healthandwellnesslexington.com.
Okay.
And we also have lexingtondiagnosticcenter.com, and the link is also on that website as well.
All right, wonderful. Ladies, thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you so
We
much.
appreciate it.
Wonderful.
Y'all have been innovators for years,
You have.
and we're grateful you're in our community.
Thank you.
Come back and see us.
Yeah, of course.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Back in a minute, gang. Stick around.